another video to address a Mazda error battery management system malfunction. And if you go to the warning guide, you'll see that the iStop function is also going to be malfunctioning as they go hand in hand together. Now this fix depends on the condition of your battery, so make sure the terminal is securely fastened and have your battery tested. Now you can pause this video just to get the full details of the guide. And once you're done, there's going to be cleared. You also notice that TPMS error, but once I've inflated the reserve, that goes away also. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.